What's up everyone, day 22 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Mega Inferno X Korean pack. So hopefully we can post something good. Here we go, set into opening it. Hopefully we can get something good. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Give me a second here, get it open. Our first card, we have a Charmander. And then next, we have this card. Pretty cool. And then we have a seal. Pretty cool. Next up, we have a Trainer Energy. Pretty cool. Looks like it's spitting out fire. It's like a flamethrower. And then we have this card. That'll do it for that pack that you got on day 23 of opening a Pokemon pack.